end of it all, I'm coming back to you. Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nazareth. So as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to show you two different variations of head wraps or protective styles that you can do for the summer. I look very tropical. I look like I'm about to walk out to perfect 90-degree weather. If you've been following me or subscribed to me for a very long time, you know how irritated I am with this weather. It's still chilly and it's May, but I feel very tropical. I feel very warm. It's almost summer. My nails are orange. It's time to call into existence that warmer weather has to come. Crossing my fingers. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are very simple ways to do the head wraps. These are scarves actually that my mom bought somewhere. I honestly do not know where she got them, but I'm sure you could get them at Forever 21. They're like neck scarves, and I just put them on my head and, you know, did this. And I love it. It's very airy. You can deep condition under, which is what I'm doing right now, and it's cute. So let's get to it. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, this one matches my nails, so you could do fun things like that. I feel like head scarves are perfect for, like I said, deep conditioning and just giving your hair a little bit of a break, going out, running errands, and yeah. I see so many beautiful natural hair sisters doing it, and I just thought that they're super fun for the summer, and especially getting different fun colors like this can, you know, bring a little something else to your summer and to your hairstyles. If you're bored of your natural hair, I get bored of my natural hair like almost every day, and I always want to chop it up and cut it and do fun things, so this is preventing me from doing something else to my hair. So yeah. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Always remember to love yourselves, and I'll see you guys on my next one.